For August of 2024, Athearn is pleased to announce our next run of the Athearn HO Scale Ford Telesqurt fire truck. This truck is perfect for layouts that are set in the 1970s and 1980s era. For this run, we're including the following companies: Chicago Fire Department, Washington, D.C., San Francisco, Tri-State Volunteer, Fire Protection District, and County Fire. These models are officially Ford licensed, and they feature a fully extending Telesqurt arm with fire monitor and photo-etched ladders. For more information about this model, select the link in the video description below. Contact your dealer for pricing. Pre-order these Athearn HO Scale models through your Athearn dealer by Friday, August 30th.